Hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner. And I got huge TEMU haul today. Huge. So I figured I would come and share it with y'all. Okay, so before I put everything away, let's take a look at what I got. So, I sort of started putting stuff away. I got excited. So I got these. Let me show you. They're like frog print stickers. I got a frog journal coming up. Here they are. They're right here. Alright. So I got these. And there was 3 of each sheet. So I put it out in framed mail. There. What else did I get? I got this die that cuts these like scrolled paper, which I thought was really cool. I also got in some new, some more, not new, they're more, of the slot dies for the shop. And some rub-ons for the shop as well. Let me grab these so you guys can see them, because they're fabulous. If I can get them out of here. Here we go. Okay. So they're Alice in Wonderland. And it's 3 sheets. And yeah, gorgeous. So I got those for the shop. And of course I'm keeping one for, you know, for us. I got in some Alice in Wonderland paper. This is a big pack of paper. I don't think I've ever ordered one this thick. It's kind of a mix-up of, you know, all the different versions, you know? Alright, so it's 2 sets, apparently. Maybe 3. I think they screwed up and sent me too many. Because I did not order that much paper. So we'll have to take a look. Alright, let me put this away. And then we'll look at what else I got. Okay. Alright, so that's away. Whew. Alright, so I got some more of these. I just love these. You know, they're gorgeous. And I really like that, because I make tags out of that. But, you know, I got some more of these, so. And they didn't have green the last time. So, you know, that was a color I was missing. They had blue and they had yellow. And I still haven't gotten the red ones. But I did get the purple. And there's more here. I know there is. I saw them. Here they are. This is the purple. So this is the purple one. Now, admittedly, I don't like the PET stickers, but if I put these on and then hit them with my file real quick, it kind of takes the shine off, you know? So it's not quite so shiny. So I'm going to put these in here. So now I got yellow, I got green, I got purple, I got blue. I got the black. Still trying to get the red. But I have them. Okay, over there. These I'll make tags out. Okay. So then I got this little sticker book. And it has washi stickers in the front. And then PET stickers. And then regular white paper stickers in the back. Which admittedly is the largest section of it. But I'm okay with that. And then I got this. Which I have this one And I expected them to be the same size, but this one is smaller, and I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Because it's the same pad, it's just a little bit smaller. And it's actually thicker, so I think it has all the same stuff in it as the larger one. It's just a smaller size, you know? So, but this comes in 4 colors too. There's a purple, blue and purple, then there's this brown one. And then there's a red and orange and yellow one. And then a green one, and I don't know. But I got those. All right, then these. The washi tape came in for the next quarterly project because everybody's going to get 5 rolls of washi tape. So those came in. My click letters, the numbers, came in. This is also going to be in one of the quarterly projects. And my stickers came in. Now, I have these for my personal use, and I just thought that they were perfect for this. I don't know why they always do that. These are stickers, for crying out loud. But they're all botanical. And so everybody's going to get botanicals, and they're like burnt paper kind of thing, which I think is very kind of appropriate for, you know, doing a nature study kind of thing. So, so I bought the big packs so that I could, you know, divide them up appropriately. And then I have these, which is pretty similar to the same thing. But again, I got enough that I could divide them up. Here, look, you can see that's kind of what they look like. These ones are black and white, and the other ones are color. That's why I had to get 2. Then I got these, which are labels. And I think these are the same ones. All the same. But I needed these for a project. And I got 2 more rolls of this. Now, I have a roll of this, and I love it. So I got 2 rolls of it, because this is going to go in a quarterly project, too. That's a lot of stuff in a quarterly project, right? Then I got these. These are just like little cute PET stickers, but they're like houses that are made out of cats. They're cute. I had to get those. These are coffee stickers, you know, coffee themes. Every now and then I get a phone call from somebody or an instant message from somebody going, we really need another person for our swap. And I go, okay, well, what is it? And they go, coffee. And I go, shit. Then I got these. These are little fairy stickers, fairies and books. And that my daughter is like, she loves books. Oh my God, she eats them like there's no tomorrow. She has a master's degree in Shakespearean literature, Old English, and like she reads Shakespeare in the original form and understands it, all the these and thous and those and thems and, you know, redonkulous, but she understands all that, and so I'm going to be making her a journal, and I wanted to do it, you know, with books in it, and this had the best books, so that's why I got them. And then I got some corners. Now, let me tell you about these. This, I've never had this on TEMU before. Usually on TEMU, you get to pick what you want. This one I picked. It's red roses. I picked it because it's going to work for a journal that I have in mind. But then that was the only one they had. So I went to this other thing, and it was random. And there was like 4 or 5 different colors that they could send you. And I was like, please send me this one. Please send me this one. Please send me this one. And they sent it to me. So I was very happy. They're not metal corners. They're like sticker corners, but they're really cool. And then there's these, and these are, they're PET, and I hate that. But, you know, again, but they're like fairy lights. They're like all these little hanging lantern kind of things. And I think they're stinking adorable. So I grabbed those. And I got these. these I got because I love the little labels and stuff in them and the little paper and everything. And I thought this might work in the bee journal. There's some stuff in here like that that's going to work in the bee journal. So I got it. This is like a little kit. Okay, let me explain that. So there's stickers in here. There's paper in here. So all different kinds of stuff. Kind of cool. It's almost like those bigger packs that I was getting for a while, but I got bored with them. I did. And I got a set of corners for the bee journal. So that was my haul today. I can't believe I got this much stuff, and it all came in one package too. I also got Hubbard a t-shirt that says emotional support human, because he's the emotional support human for our Labrador, our adopted dog, you know, because we live here in the house of forgotten pets and parents. But that's it. This is like my massive, huge, obnoxious, over the top haul of stuff. Anyway, I wanted to share it with you guys, so that's what I got. I will see you all next time. Till then, stay well. Bye.